What's good, fellow masochists? Today I will change gardening forever with my new project, Stream Sprout. Innovative name, I know. Have you ever wondered what would happen if you let Twitch chat control the watering of your plant? Yeah, me neither. But let's see how long a deranged Twitch chat can keep my plant alive. Here's the horrible, boring tech explanation. So when you type !water in the chat, a Python script will ask you a simple plant-based question. If you get the question right, a signal is sent to my Arduino, raising the power of one of the ports from low to high. This increase in voltage opens a transistor which now acts like a bridge, allowing power to go from my power supply to my pump. It also triggers a cute animation to let the users know when the watering happened. Now let's see how many people love my innovative design. Guess no one cares. I'll just water the plant myself. And there you have it, a genius system that you, yes you, can use anytime in the next 12 hours. Head to my Twitch chat and please don't kill my plant. If you had a horrible time watching the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace!